Shapes. MS Word comes with a set of ready-made shapes that you can use in your document. You can resize, rotate, flip, color, and combine the shapes
to make more complex shapes. The Shapes command contains several categories of shapes like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, stars and banners and callouts.
Drawing a shape. To draw a shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on Shapes command in the Illustrations group.
A drop-down menu appears with all the shapes that you can insert in your document. Step 3. Click on any shape from the available categories of shapes to select it.
Click and drag the mouse pointer in the document area to draw the selected shape. Release the mouse button when the selected shape is of the desired size. Inserting text. To insert text, follow these steps. Step 1. Right-click inside the shape. Step 2. Select the Add Text option from the pop-up menu. Type the text and then click anywhere on the screen outside the shape. Changing outline color and fill color of a shape.
To change the outline of a shape and fill color in the shape, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the shape to select it. Step 2. Click on the Format tab. Step 3. Click on the Shape Fill or Shape Outline command in the Shape Styles group. A colors palette appears. Step 4. Choose a color from the Theme Colors drop-down menu.
Adding shape effects. MS Word provides various types of shape effects to change the look of a shape, such as preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, and 3D rotation. To apply shapes effects, follow these steps.
Step 1. Click on the shape to select it. Step 2. Click on Shape Format tab. Step 3. From the Shape Styles group, click on Shape Effects command. A drop-down menu appears. Step 4. Place the mouse over an option from the drop-down menu. A submenu appears. Step 5. From the submenu, select the desired effect.